Clocks, they are everywhere. In our bedrooms, on our mobiles, in the kitchen, on our wrists, even in our heads. So I decided I have to own one too. I opened this net called Inter, found hundreds of clocks and made an order. The delivery man rang twice. I went up to the door and there was nothing. I did a little surveillance in the front yard and there it was, in the middle of the chestnut tree. I kicked the parcel back inside, unpacked it, and now I was a clock owner. But all I could do was dismantle it. I took a roll of vinyl foil and my bandsaw and cut out a circle of plywood. I drilled a hole with my Forstner bit, glued LED strips to the plywood circle, cut some wires, started my soldering station and made some connections. Then I cut some more vinyl foil, sprayed water on the glass cover, placed the vinyl foil on top and cut the edge of the foil with a cutter. I used my laptop to design a logo, cut some more black vinyl foil and put it in my vinyl cutter and let him do his job. I removed all the letters, glued the logo on the glass cover and mounted it in the clock housing. Then I destroyed my drywall with a router, put some wires in the wall and filled all back up. I painted some dark blue paint over it and mounted the plywood circle with some screws. Finally I put the clock housing on top and we are good to go. Yes, of course I destroyed the clock, because who needs a clock when he can have his own personal sign like this? During the last months I did a little renovation of my YouTube studio setup with my body and a lot of new stuff. It's good to be back and I can't wait to show you more of my custom painting videos. So stay tuned and see you in the next one.